Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log into Nationwide Multistate Licensing System, also commonly known as NMLS. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type NMLS login and hit on enter right now. Now this is the first link that you should go to. Simply click on this. You will then be redirected to this page of NMLS Resource Center. Now since we want to log in, at the top right of the page here is the login to NMLS button. Simply click on it and your page will open up. Now depending upon your context, whether it is state, non-depository, federal or sole industry, you can click on any one of those. I'm gonna choose one at random. Now in this page, simply enter your username and your password. In case you forgot your username or password, here are the buttons right here. Simply click on them and follow the prompts. That way, you can again regain access to your account. If everything is okay, hit on this login button right here and you will be redirected to your NMLS account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to your NMLS account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.